This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer WhatsApp documents to your laptop. To begin, open your preferred internet browser and visit web.whatsapp.com. A unique QR code will then be displayed on your computer screen. Simply scan this using the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Once successfully connected, all your WhatsApp chats will synchronize and display directly on your computer, providing seamless access to your important documents. Once connected, navigate to the specific chat containing the document you wish to transfer. Click directly on the document within the chat window. This action will usually open a preview or provide download options. Look for a small download icon, often an arrow pointing downwards, and click it to save the file. The document will then be saved to your laptop, usually in the Downloads folder. For a different approach, you can share documents from WhatsApp directly to your email. Inside the chat, tap and hold the document, then select the Share option and choose your email application. Alternatively, upload documents to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, where files up to 5 GB can be easily managed. You can then access these files from your laptop by logging into your cloud account. If you use an Android phone, a direct USB cable connection is another efficient option. Simply plug your smartphone into your laptop using a suitable USB data cable. On your phone, select the File Transfer or MTP option when prompted. Now, open your laptop's File Explorer, navigate to your phone's internal storage, and locate the WhatsApp Media folder to copy your documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.